Wow, this is unbelievable. I think we're gonna have a libel case against the federal court, Northern District, Ohio. Judge Donald C. Nugent. I don't know if he had a part of this, or is a magistrate under him, or the clerks, or whatever. But the plaintiff in the case has asked for a summons and is asking Google for the name, address, phone number, email address of people not involved in the copyright claim or any other aspect of this. People who are not named defendants in the case, who have not had an opportunity to defend their side of this issue. This is a serious issue here. The court is giving Barbara Anderson permission. It's clear. She's trying to dox people unrelated to the case. She has a copyright claim, and she is asking Google to dox people who are unrelated to any copyright claim. They are not named defendants in the case. They are not even residents of the state of Ohio. Judge, I think you better retract this summons issuance and alert whoever she sent this to at Google, probably David Kramer of the law firm representing Google. David Kramer, here's your warning. You give out this information on people unrelated to this case, and you are personally going to be held accountable. Probably with the judge, too, because you can't do this, Your Honor. Be honorable, Judge. You can't. This is overreach. For one, you can't just go out and give a blanket order. Why don't you have them give her the names and addresses of every account on Google? She has no right to this information. This person is a stalker. She is stalking people, trying to sue anybody who talks about Forrest Fenn on the internet or on YouTube. She is overstepping her bounds. She is actually committing criminal fraud in her lawsuits with no standing. You gotta show cause for asking for my name. You already know my name. She's text messaged me. She knows my number. She's emailed me. She knows my email. And the fact is, I don't have an address other than the P.O. box. I live on land that has not been issued an address, so it's not possible. And Google, if you give them any information, you're going to be held criminally liable. I don't care if you have a court order. You know this is wrong. You know this person is projecting everything she does onto the people she is complaining about. She is seeking attention through media. She sought attention through media to be on CBS announcing her lawsuit against a man who did nothing to her to deserve it. The guy told her that she was not the finder. She is fraudulently claiming to be the finder in court of law, giving false testimony, making a false claim. You guys, Your Honor, you need to take a serious look at this woman. Have you watched any of her videos? Any of them? Judge Donald C. Nugent, you need to study up on Barbara Anderson. And I'm sorry, but saying that name, my God, when this person is asking Google for my information, my personal information, then I can say anything I want about this person who is fraudulently trying to obtain information through federal courts. Miss Anderson has been caught in Illinois courts taking money from her children's college fund that was joint with her ex-husband and stashing it in her father's bank account. That is in Illinois court records, public records that anybody can look up on the internet. Miss Anderson, you are a fraud, and I demand you cease and desist your pursuit of Bill Gorman. Demanding it right now. You better go cower. You better leave the country because you are gonna be picked up by law enforcement at some point for your criminal acts in federal court. What the hell is wrong with Judge Nugent? I think there should be a judicial review on this matter. This is total bull. What she is putting through the court. She is lying through her teeth. She accuses people of all these channels she wants to take down. All YouTube conversations about Forrest Fenn, other than herself. Yet she accuses the people she's trying to take down of doing what she is doing. We have not tried to stop her from putting her YouTubes up. In fact, it shows her character. It shows her character. She is a narcissist. By every definition of the term. Including unable to see what she is doing. She is unaware of her own criminal acts. Nobody. I have not copied any videos of Barbara Anderson. And I challenge the court to get her to show cause. Show what videos I have copied of hers to allow her to get any information from Google on me. Barbara Anderson, you're a fraud. You're gonna go to hell. That's my opinion.